The scale for temperature conversion between Fahrenheit and Celsius can be found at the bottom of the circular slide rule face. It's a simple linear comparison scale, and its use is self-evident. An explanation of 3 of the terms we're going to use would be beneficial before we investigate how to use the navigation computer in relation to altitude calculations. Height is indicated on the altimeter when its subscale is set to QFE. Height is the vertical distance above a selected ground-level datum, usually your home airfield. With QFE set, the altimeter will read 0 when the aircraft is on the ground. Altitude is indicated on the instrument when the altimeter subscale is set to QNH. Altitude is defined as the vertical distance above mean sea level. Pressure altitude is indicated on the instrument when the altimeter subscale is set to 1013.2 millibars. Pressure altitude is defined as the vertical distance above a standard pressure datum of 1013.2 millibars. You'll sometimes hear this pressure given as 1013.2 hectopascals. Pressure altitude is normally expressed as flight level, which is pressure altitude divided by 100. For instance, 4,700 feet equals flight level 47. Variations in ambient temperatures from the ICAO standard atmosphere, ISA, values cause inaccuracies in height and altitude indications on the altimeter. Thus, your indicated altitude or height will rarely, if ever, give you the true vertical separation of your aircraft from sea level or ground level. As a pilot on a local sortie with QFE set, your true height above your airfield is of little interest, as long as the indicated height is accurate. But on cross-country flights with QNH set, you will often need to rely on your altimeter's indicated altitude to tell you your separation from a high ground beneath you. It is therefore important for pilots to be able to calculate their true altitude. Your navigation computer allows you to do this. The calculations are based on 3 parameters: indicated altitude, actual air temperature, and pressure altitude, the latter being based on ISA conditions. You'll notice that both the lesson and the test questions used indicated and pressure altitudes greater than 10,000 feet. This is because when you fly lower than that, within a temperature range typical of a temperate climate, the difference between your indicated altitude and true altitude will be minimal, provided that you have the correct value of QNH set.